I find such cute things at such affordable prices. So it's like a mini Ajio haul. T-shirts to wear at home जो थोड़े comfortable हो but not too expensive also. Both of them are under 250 rupees. So Ajio के prices इतने ज़्यादा shocking होते हैं. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. It's me Mansha and I'm back with another video. So this is a Ajio haul and बहुत टाइम के बाद Ajio haul कर रही हूँ and honestly मैं खुद भी Ajio की ऐप बहुत ही rarely खोलती हूँ but whenever I like explore and scroll on Ajio I find such cute things at such affordable prices and I just keep on adding them in my wish list and sometimes I really like it so I just shop it. So these are the things that I really thought were cute and affordable so I just got it. So yeah, I have like very few things that I've shopped from Ajio this time because मुझे उतनी ज़्यादा need थी नहीं. So it's like a mini Ajio haul. So the first item is this tank top from the brand Rio. ये उनके basic collection में से है and this brand is my favorite brand from Ajio. If you shop from Ajio, आपने पक्का ये brand ज़रूर देखी होगी. They have some really amazing pieces in such affordable prices. So I've got this tank top and अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे follow करते हो, you know I wear tank tops a lot. I think वो मेरे लिए सबसे comfy option होते हैं. जब भी मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होता है तो मैं सिर्फ एक tank top एक jeans पहन लेती हूँ. And I have so many of them in different colors, but मेरे पास इस तरीके का कुछ basic stripe pattern में नहीं था. And I thought it's like a good basic piece to have in my wardrobe so that if I want to style it in a formal way I can wear that way also and अगर casual तरीके से style करना है so of course उस तरीके से भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. Quality of this one is so good. It's also very stretchable so इसका fit बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा आता है. It's just like H&M only. H&M पे you will find such pieces for around 300-400 but this I got for just 150 rupees so it's very affordable. So अगर आप check करना चाहते हो कुछ basic pieces so Rio पे you can definitely check it out because you'll get similar H&M kind of quality in such good price. Next again I have a top from Rio only. I told you this brand has such cute pieces. This is also one of them. This is a very cute pink color top and इसका pink shade मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लगा. It has like bloom written here so it's like a very cute round neck top and it's very basic सिर्फ bloom लिखा हुआ है but the color and the like print and everything makes it look like very cute so I really liked it. And there are days when you don't want to wear like strappy top so I have like very few option in like full sleeve top so मुझे ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था so I got this one and there was like one more color in this like pastel green shade वो भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा था. Genuinely मैं confused थी कि मैं pastel green लूँ या pink लूँ but then I ended up getting this pink shade but the other shade is also very pretty. Then I got this kurti from brand Yusta. It has this beautiful print going on in green and purple shade. The paisley print looks so pretty and I really like wearing strappy kurtis. मेरे पास काफ़ी सारी strappy kurtis का collection है and this is like a cotton kurti so very comfortable. ये मुझे थोड़ी सी यहाँ से loose है so I have to get it altered so मैं इसको try करके नहीं बताऊंगी but I'll attach the picture here so you can see how it looks from the back and front. इसका back काफ़ी ज़्यादा interesting है. This is how the back looks like. It looks very pretty and I think no it's not adjustable. I thought you can adjust the straps but you cannot adjust it. That is why it looks a little bit loose. The length of this one is also just perfect for me. It comes below my knees only so that is perfect and it just looks very simple, very cute and also very summery. इसको अगर मैंने jeans के साथ style किया then also it will look very nice and अगर मैं इसको simple white plazo के साथ and if I add really small झुमकास it will look so cute and very pretty. Now this is so basic. If you love wearing kurtas आपके wardrobe में एक white color का प्लाजो ज़रूर होना चाहिए and मेरे पास भी बहुत टाइम तक नहीं था. Recently मुझे एक shoot के लिए चाहिए था so मैंने अपनी मम्मी से लिया and मेरा काम तो चल गया था but I thought I should get this when I saw this on Ajio because a lot of times when I need it I don't have it so I got this one and मुझे इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ लगी this lace detailing at the bottom. And when it comes to plazo I don't like those usual plazos that you get on Amazon. I wanted something plain and simple also but still it should look a little bit different so I really liked this one. So it's something very basic that every desi girl should have in her wardrobe if you love wearing like Indian wear. And now summer's आ गया and I was looking for good t-shirts to wear at home जो थोड़े comfortable हो but not too expensive also, because obviously I just have to wear it at home only, so I want it to be like very comfortable and affordable also. So I got these two. This is like the first one. It's in this off-white shade, and the print at the back is so cool. It has this Archie's print which looks so cool. So मुझे काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी है, and it's also very comfortable. So another one is also a white t-shirt only, but this is a little more like bright white. But इसका print बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है. It has this cat print going on. It looks very cute, and घर पे इस तरीके से comfortable loose t-shirts बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. This was in size small and this is in size medium, but like दोनों का size is a little oversized only, so they are very comfy. And also I forgot to mention, both of them are under 250 rupees, so that was a great deal. Lastly, I got this vest top in this very cute print. It's from Yusta, and I got this for just rupees 99. Sometimes I'm telling you, Ajio के prices इतने ज़्यादा shocking होते हैं that you'll not believe only कि 99 rupees पे you are finding something online Ajio पे. So if you're not shopping from Ajio, sometimes I'll say you should just explore the collection from these brands, and you'll find some really cute pieces in very low prices. Like I found this for just rupees 100. So yeah, it looks very cute, and इसका print भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It says you are my jam, so it's very cute. But again, I think ये इसका जो print है ये wash पे बहुत easily निकल जाएगा. Like you see those prints जो like chip हो जाते हैं. So this is something like that only, and I think it will come off very easily. But ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सस्ता था, and it was very cute also. So I just thought of getting it just to wear at home, and it looks very cute, so I thought of just buying this. But yeah, that was the last item for the haul. I told you it's a very mini haul. I hope आपको ये haul अच्छा लगा हो. I'll leave all the links in the description box. I think few items must be out of stock by now, but I'll also attach alternative of those items, so you can check that also. And yeah, let me know which item was your favorite from today's haul, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.